Welcome to Homework Help. This is Mr. Jarvis for October 3rd, and we're looking at some division story problems. So we have number 2 in our homework, Sarah and her 5 friends. So how many people does that make? Sarah and 5, that makes 6 people. That's important. Did chores all Saturday, earned $75. Okay. Um, they earned $75 altogether. I think it'd be better if I just underline these things. Okay, let's see here. $75. Sarah's dad was so pleased with the work, she gave each of the 6 children a $2 tip. So we are figuring out how much, okay. In addition to the $75, they shared the money equally. So they want to share all the money equally. How much will each get? So each kid already got $2. So I might set that aside. There's a couple ways to go about this. Okay, so they each already have $2. Okay, but they need to divide the $75 between 6 people. And I like to write the zeros here as well. Okay, so we're gonna do the long division. Let's see, maybe I wrote it too large. So 6, 7. They have 7 tens, 5 ones, no dimes, no pennies. So the 7 tens can be divided equally among 6 people, and that would be 1. And now I got rid of 6 of those, and I have one $10 bill left. Bring down the 5. I have 15. Divided evenly among 6 people would be 2. So then I have 12. So 2. If each got 2, I got rid of 12 $1 bills. Getting kind of messy here. So that leaves 3 left over. Bring down this 0 dimes, bring this up. And I'm going to change those 3 $1 bills into dimes, and that's 30. So 30 divided. So each, sorry, it's hard to read. I wrote this too big. So 30 dimes divided among 6 people, they'd each get 5 dimes. That's 6 times 5 is 30 minus 30. So that comes out evenly. So $12.50. Oh, but they each got $2 extra. So I could say $12.50. How much did each get plus? Okay. So they each got $2 tip. So it says there, gave each of the children a $2 tip plus altogether 75. So the 75 divides up to $12.50. If you want to know how much they each also got the $2 tip. So it's $14.50. So that's $14.50. Another way, let's see if we still get $14.50, is to think of it a little bit differently. And I'm going to write smaller and make this better. Let's say, so $6, each kid's got $6. That's $12 total. Okay. So I could add the $12 to the 75 and get 80. Whoops. I'm not. I can get $87. So if I wanted to, just another way of looking at this, I'm up too high. Another way of looking at this is by saying adding their whole tip to the total. Okay, and dividing that among 6 people. So just a different way of doing it. Let's see if I still get $14.50. 8 tens divided among 6 people. They'd each get one $10 bill, and that took care of 6 of them. But that means I have 2 left over. I'm going to trade them for the $10 bills for 1. So I have 21s plus 7 ones from here, 27. If I got 4 here, that would give me 24. And then a 30 dimes here, and that would be 5. And then if I had to write in money, I need to write that extra. So I still got $14.50. If I took the tip money and added it to the total, then divided. So either way I do it, it works out to $14.50 that each of the children got. All right, 89 kids showed up for the first soccer practice. The coach organized them into groups of 4 for warm-up practices. So we're taking 89 and dividing that by 4. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to look at the 8. How many groups? So I've groups of 10, and if they're into 4, that's going to be 2. It comes out even, 2 groups, 8. Bring down the 9, and then 22, 8. I have 1 kid left over. So I need either 21 groups of 4 and 1 group of 5, or 23 groups, and work it out that way. So either way you look at it, I could be 21 groups of 4 and 20 and 1 group of 5, or just divide the 89 by 23 and see what you get. Let's see what we get. You can work on that on your own. I have to go. So a little bit shorter, didn't have quite the time. Thank you.